I'd like to share some thoughts with you about energetic resonance. It's this idea that we're all giving off energy and we're all vibrating at our own particular frequencies, all contained within our energy fields. And when you meet another human being, they're vibrating in their specific frequencies with their particular energy fields. And the question is, how much overlap is there? Right? When you think about a Venn diagram, right? There's the two circles and then they overlap for that middle portion. So the question when you meet someone is how much overlap is there? If you think of two people at a party who are deeply engaged in conversation and they're clearly digging each other's vibe, they're vibing, which means that there's a lot of energetic resonance between them. There's a lot of overlap. There's a lot of shared information. And when there's a lot of shared information, there's energy flowing back and forth between the two people. There's this energy that's exchanging because they're in a very strong energetic resonance. So another way of thinking about it is it's the stuff in me recognizes the stuff in you, right? There's this recognition that happens. And when that happens, your energy fields start to come together. They start to touch and they even start to overlap, depending on how much shared information there is. So, energetic resonance is so useful to know about because it helps us understand what determines our feeling states when we're in different company, right? So, you can have energetic resonance based on the frequency of love or the frequency of fear. So, if you're at a party and you're talking to someone and you notice that you start feeling really positive, that you start feeling happy, joyful, free, just light and relaxed. You're vibing through the principle of love energetic resonance. And then if you start talking to someone else, or let's say someone else enters into the conversation and all of a sudden the vibe drastically changes. And as they're talking, you start to feel uncomfortable, uneasy, maybe a little put off, maybe even a little scared, right? What's happening there is you're relating to them through the principle of fear energetic resonance. So people can pull out of you positive feelings and emotions when they're relating to you primarily from feelings and emotions based in the energy of love, or they can pull out of you negative emotions when they're relating to you based on the energy of feelings and emotions that are based more in fear and lack.